Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Git conflicts, how to resolve the conflicts and how to merge those changes. Currently I have one branch in the my remote, that is master branch. So I have few files on the master branch. So I created another branch. Let me clone this repository. I have already in the repository. I have cloned in this repository into my local. So these are the code. So currently I have only one branch, that is master branch. So conflicts, when conflicts will come? So if I clone that repository my local, and if I make modification on those files, and meanwhile some other developer they clone their code, and they have make modification on the same file at the same line with a different content, that time conflicts will come. So we have to resolve those conflicts and we have merged the changes. So what I need to do first, let me create another branch, git branch, and branch name I will give develop. So I created develop branch. So what, let me check out the develop branch. Let me switch to the develop branch. Currently I am into the master branch. I am into develop branch. So I need to make some modifications on these files. Okay, vi some abcd dot txt file. Okay, git fetch and git pull. So I have modified the file and I need to stage this file. If I check git status, it should be modified. Git add, git commit, updated the content, updated new feature or something, anything you just need to make. Now my local repository is clean. Okay, working tree is clean, there is no changes. Git status done, git log hyphen hyphen one line. I need to see only top 5 commits. So my change are there. Okay, this is the commit message, this is the commit id. So meanwhile some other developer make the changes. So I directly modified here only the abc.txt file. Some different lines we will try to add. Git stash and submodules, git ignore or something. I directly modified this change. Okay, updated changes from remote. So I directly make modification on the master branch, and here I just created the new branch and I try to make modified. Now I need to merge the develop branch changes to the master branch. So some other developer directly modified the changes into the master branch. So what I did, I created separate branch and I make modify the changes. So I need to merge the changes to the master via pull request. So let me push these changes to the remote. Through pull request we are merging these changes. Git push origin develop. See, previously only one branch, now develop branch is created. So I need to create a pull request. Create a pull request. My source branch is develop branch. I need to merge the changes to the master branch. You just need to give the title, merge develop to master. You just need to make write something meaningful title, and you just need to mention um, please review and approve and merge. So you need to give the your reviewers. Once you have added the reviewers, it will be able to see the who reviewer details. Okay, once the merge the changes, if you want to delete the source branch, you can select this option. So whenever merge the source branch should be deleted, but in this case I didn't select that one, so I'm creating the pull request. See, it is a conflicted, so we can't able to merge. We need to resolve the changes, and once the changes resolved, then only we are able to merge the changes. So we need to take the master branch code also, and we need to see that change. Okay, we need to review the master branch changes and develop branch changes. We need to remove that comments, and we have to update that one. If you do git pull origin master, we are pulling the master branch changes also to the develop branch. So here also it is saying merge conflicted. So abcd.txt file, if you open that file, currently we are pulling the master branch changes to the develop branch. So we to see the changes, so this change from the master branch, this change from the my local branch. So we need to merge those changes. We need to resolve this git comments, this one. So once the changes are done, we need to approve the changes. Now I need to open that file abc.txt. So we need to remove these lines. This is the conflicted lines. So these dashes we need to remove. This is my changes, local changes. So if you need the both the changes from local and as well as remote changes in the same file, if you want, you can keep that one. Or if you want, if you don't want, you can keep it one line. You just make the one line. Okay, once that is done, you just need to stage this file. If you check now git status, sorry, git status, it should be modified, both modified. Okay, now git add the file name, or git dot you can give, it will be whatever the files are modified, it will be take all the files. Now you need to check the status, it should be modified. Now you need to do git commit, and you need to do commit message, resolve the conflicts. Now this is done. If you check git status now working tree is clean. You have to push the changes. Now see, once you have resolved that merge conflicts, it will gone the merge. Okay, now you need to push this change, git push origin develop. So now you have resolved that one, and you have pushed these changes to the remote. Now if you refresh that one, this conflict will gone and you will able to see the merge option. There is no conflicts now. Okay, you can make a add comments, and once the added the comments to the, you need to approve, then you have to merge the changes. You just need to make the commit message, merge the master branch, and you just need to give merge, so you will be able to see the merged. See, now merged from develop to the master branch. Like this, you need to be resolve the conflicts via pull request. So if you go to the master branch and if you see this text file, the content whatever it should be there in the develop branch, same thing it should be there in the master also. If you go to commit, here we can able to see the merged pull request. Pull request is merged. If you go to the develop branch, you can able to see the same changes. Okay. Now master and develop are having the same code. Now git pull, if you do, so git pull origin master. So git pull origin develop. So already up to date. Even I am checking over the master branch. If we do git pull, it will be automatically fetch the changes from master to the remote. There are 3 changes. It should be updated the changes also. If you see cat abcd.txt, these changes are there from the master as well. So as of now we resolve the conflicts through the manually. Suppose if there are 2-3 files or more than 2-3 files, we need to do manually. As a DevOps engineer, you don't know the what need to be updated on that files. So that time we have to inform the developers, there are conflicts, please resolve those conflicts and update the code. So for that time we need to use the tools, DiffMerge tools. Okay, there is a one tool, DiffMerge. Okay, so you just need to install this tool. It is a UI based. It will be open from source and destination. The both files we can able to see like this from source side, destination side. If you want to merge those changes, you can able to merge those changes like this from the source branch, destination branch. Whichever changes you need that file, you just make those changes on that file and you have to save that one. It will be one file only. So to install that DiffMerge tool, you just need to click this one. It will be based on your OS. You just need to select that one. This is the documentation to installation of Windows, okay, Mac, Linux, anything. So based on this, you can install this one. So once you have to install, you need to integrate this with your Git. Integrate with third-party tool. Okay, in Git, setting up. Mine is currently Windows I am using. So I need to be installed. This changes, this line you just need to add it in .git config folder. The .git config folder, it should be under in users. If you go to C drive, users, public, not public, my user is this one. So there is a .git config. You just need to add those changes. I already added the changes. I already installed the DiffMerge tool. Okay. So you just need to update this thing. Once updated, let me try to make some comments, conflicts. So I will show you in the changes, how to resolve these changes. Currently I have two branches, git master, sorry, git branch to check the branches. Currently I have master and develop branch. So let me make some modification on this one. Let me make modification on vibcready.html. Some content I am adding. Hello world. Please practice. Something I just added, and meanwhile I have updated another file also, that is abcd.txt file. Git conflicts demo. So I have currently modified. If I check the status, there are two files modified. Let me stage these files. Let me commit this file to local repository. Updated files in master. Meanwhile, let me make the changes on develop branch also. Git checkout. Now I need to make modified on the abcd.txt file. As a developer, I'm make my changes on develop branch. Some other developer make modification on master branch. Okay, think like that. Now I just need to update at the same files abcd.txt. Some new any content you just need to add. Git concepts are clear. Git is easy. Git commands need to practice. Now let me make abcd.txt also. Sorry, bcready.html. So if you make any content here, some dummy content, so I'm adding some dummy comment. Now let me stage these files. If you check git status, now these are modified. Now I need to stage these files. I need to commit these files to the local repository. Git updated the changes from develop. Now switch to the master branch. You have to merge the changes from develop to the master branch. This time I am doing the locally. The merge I am doing in the local. So let me switch to the master branch. Git checkout master. Now git merge develop. See, it is showing the conflicts. Conflicts are coming and bcready.html file and abcd.txt file. Okay, there are two files. So you just need to be resolve those conflicts. See, it is saying that conflicted in the merge. In the master branch, the merging is conflicted. So if you check those files, if you see the differences, okay, there is a command like git diff. It will show you the changes in the abcd.txt file. So these are the changes you just need to resolve, and the bcready.html you just need to make the changes. So this is your source branch, this is your destination branch, develop branch. From this branch, this change from develop, and this change from develop, and this change from master. So you are merging the changes from develop branch to master branch. uh, So think like this: I am the developer, I make my modifications, so some other developer made some changes directly onto the master. I am trying to merge the changes to the master. So previously use case is we raised the pull request, so we resolve the conflicts and we merge the changes. Now directly in the local itself I am trying to merge the changes. So now we have seen git diff command. So git diff also we have configured. Okay, git diff. Now git merge tool, if we give git merge tool, now abcd.txt file it should be opened. You just need to, there is one conflict could be automatically merged, this may be resolved. Just need to close this one. So now you can able to see this. Okay, this is the source branch, means this is the master branch, and this is the develop branch. Which change you wanted to updated and the to resolve the conflicts? Currently these lines are conflicted, git concepts are clear, and git conflicts demo. Okay, based on that one, this is the master branch, this is destination branch. You just need to select which line you wanted to added. So suppose if you added this lines, right? So you just need to give append these lines. There is a left arrow, right? If you selected this one, it will be selected. If you need this also, you just need to select this one and you just need to give this one. Whatever the changes you need to update, either master branch changes or develop branch changes, you just need to mention that one, and you just need to select this arrow. The changes are there. Okay, now you just need to save the file. Once saved, you just need to be close. Now it will be open another file. These are the conflicts in the HTML file. You just need to select and you just need to apply changes from left. Okay, I need the changes, I don't want these changes. And once that is done, if you undo the changes, it will gone. If you need that one, you just need to select and click this one, and once that is done, you are able to save the file. You have to save the file and close the change. Now whatever you make the changes, right? If you check now git status, it is modified. Okay, now if you do git add, you need to commit the changes, and you need to stage the changes, resolved conflicts. Now the merging is done, conflicts are resolved on the both the files. Okay, like this. Now if you check cat abcd.txt, now same thing, html.txt, bcready html. Okay, only these change are there. Like this we have to resolve using the merge tool, diff merge tool. What you need to do, you just need to install those tool and you have to configure in the git config.xml, sorry, git config hyphen list. If you see, you just need to add that merge tool and diff tool also. So like this, using diff merge tool, we have to resolve the conflicts. We can able to see that those changes from the source branch and destination branch, which change you need to do. So like this, once the changes are done, you just need to push the changes. Git push origin master. If you need the same changes to the develop branch also, git checkout develop git rebase master. If you do the rebase changes, it should be coming here. Okay, Like this we have to resolve the git conflicts using via pull request, and locally also we can resolve that one. That's all about in this session. Thanks for watching. Bye. The one thing you need to remember is, if you know the how to resolve the conflicts, if you know the changes, you using the you directly make modify those files. If you don't know, you just need to inform the respective developers to resolve the conflicts. Once the conflicts are resolved, then only you have to merge. So we have seen both the cases, like via pull request how to resolve the merge, how to resolve the conflicts, and we have seen in the local also via diff merge tool. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye.